Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a traveller's notebook that I've made, and I've used ARTYmaze's new kit called Patchwork Botanicals. It's a very pretty kit and I will leave the link below for you to go and check it out. So like I said, it's a traveller's notebook. There is 68 pages front and back, and it's a soft cover. It's just held closed with some organza ribbon. As you can see, it's kind of junky. So let's go inside. So I've used the same paper, well, it's cardstock, and I've done the sewing of the white cardstock on the back to strengthen it, and the pieces that were left over I've created pockets for the inside covers. So I will do a quick flip through of this. Tags from the kit, some handmade tags, some ephemera that I've just popped in alongside it, and a little baby tag. Now, it isn't a traveller's notebook kit, but what I've done is I've just used certain pages within the kit and then scored them and made the traveller's notebook size from. I've got a little pocket there with some ephemera and a postcard from the kit. Some light stenciling, pocket from the kit with a tag, a little baby tag from the kit, and a little journaling piece there. Again, that was from the kit. Fabric tab, and here we have a corner flip which is glued down just a tad, just a teeny weeny bit. I'll do that in a sec, but it does flip up. But you know me, I'm always gluing things down that shouldn't be glued down. A tag here, some ephemera. This is an envelope with a journaling card inside, and that all just slots in there. Some music paper, and inside, well, that actually comes off and it flips out, and we've got the ephemera here and a postcard from the kit. Some lined paper. There's an envelope paper clipped on here, which I've just put some ephemera on the inside of that. That's just folded in half. And the envelope, there's nothing in the envelope, but that's how it is. And this page flips out, so that goes back on there, and that just slips in there. Hope I'm in frame. Got really bad light and one of my bulbs has blown today, so I need to get a new bulb for in the shed. Page from the kit, and here we just have some ephemera from the kit, a handmade tag, journaling card which I've put onto the back of, I backed it onto, got some glue there, an index card, a ticket, and double mason jar from the kit. And this is a flip out piece for additional journaling, and I just used some of the paper from the kit to decorate the pockets. Now, does that go in there? I think it does. So there's plenty of places to journal in this. I love the colour on this one. It's one of my favourite pages. So that's a flip out. There's these belly bands, and I've just put a tag from the kit inside there. Closes over. Inventory paper. Another flip out. Fabric tab. Just another journaling card. It's just paper clipped on there. That's a flip out as well, and we have some ephemera and a double journaling card which is upside down. Centre of the signature, and we've got an envelope, which I always forget to use these. Andrea has lots of kits with these envelopes in, and I print them out and always forget to use them. We've got a double pocket here with a ticket, a journaling card, a tag and a postcard, and a tag from the kit. So I have to put it all back in, otherwise I get confused where it all goes. I see people that taking it out and leaving it to the side. Oh, I would just have a nightmare trying to put it all back where it should be. Another envelope here, and that's a flip out. This envelope has a journaling card inside, and that just goes on there. Got another corner flip if it hasn't, this one's not glued down, so I will sort that other one. A little envelope here, it's like a tea bag envelope, and another journaling card and a tag, which all just slips in there. That flips out. Here we have some more ephemera, and another flip out with the belly band there. Pockets here with a little double mason jar, some ephemera and a tag. This is another little flip out, just a journaling piece in there. And in the back we have the pocket, the tag, I love the pansies, and another tag, a journaling card there, and another little envelope that you can pop stuff inside. Like I said, this is ARTYmaze's new Patchwork Botanicals kit, and the link will be below. This is also listed in my shop if you're interested. The link to that will be below as well. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.